I watched it on Pinterest and thought of trying it out. We printed out a template of this deer on a printer from 6 sheets of paper and glued them together. Now this template will need to be cut using scissors. After we cut out the template, it will need to be transferred to a sheet of cardboard. The cardboard is preferably tighter.
Hey, little dandelion, they kicked you for no reason. Gather up your pieces, still you hold your ground. Hey, little dandelion, born to burn and quiet.
We still have such a deer template, by the way. You can use it to draw, say, New Year's deer on glass. Next, cut a strip of about 44.5 centimeters from the cardboard. The direction of the cardboard goes like this, that is, you see. Later, so that he might yield better. So we roll up this snail so that it is soft, and now with the help of a glue gun, we use a battery gun, we glue this part like this. This is the first strip we have finished. Here is the preliminary result. So we glue 2 strips.
A little liar in denial. I'm going nowhere. I can't bleed.
All irregularities can be straightened with your fingers. That is, you form already even lines so that they are not twisted. Cardboard is generally good. This will not be difficult to do. The next moment they stayed here, we have all sorts of unglues, as Abloy would call it. That is, everything is also trimmed carefully with a sharp knife. That is, everything. If you want it to look beautiful, then it can be cut. If there's excess glue, or if you went beyond the template, adjust accordingly. Then we painted the inside with red paint to create depth.
Born to burn and quiet.
After painting the inner layer like this, we already got a cute deer, and now we will paint the outer side matte black paint. Duck, after painting we got a deer like this, and so on. He and I continue to work. Next, inside the deer we will place such a garland. It is also called a garland of dew. After we wrap the deer with string, and now these joints can be bandaged, or you can fix them with super glue, that is, so that the string does not fly off later, that is, make a drop like this. so that it sticks right away.
To the body and to each other.
Avoid touching the corners, just leave glue drops where necessary.
To keep it from moving out?
So here he is a ready deer. That is in principle nothing complicated, I think, to repeat. Every single one can. To be honest, I'll say that we did it together because 2 hands were missing, which is not enough. That is, we did it with 4 hands.